I'm here with Chef Tomas from Mingo's Latin Kitchen, making my favorite, Huevos Rancheros. So what is your twist on this dish?
We like to make it a little bit more rustic, not as picante as people usually eat it. So what I like to do, I like to saute some bell peppers, some red onion, some chipotle peppers, and then in the olive oil. So what I'm gonna start doing right now, I'm gonna go ahead and add the red onions to the mix that we already have. And then we're gonna add the bell peppers. You necessarily don't have to get any particular color of bell peppers. The bell peppers do have different flavors depending on the color, but once they get sauteed in there, you're not really having, the flavor of the chipotles and everything else is gonna.
I'm your sous chef.
So we give it a little bit of a cook, kind of let them sweat out a little bit, and once they get sweat out, we're gonna go ahead and add the salsa de tomate from Goya. So it's a tomato-based sauce. It's a vegetarian option so you can add meat later on after the dish is constructed, but for the most part, it is a vegetarian dish. It can be vegan as well. So for those non-meat eaters, this is a pretty good hearty dish. So that's the reason why that we chop it up the way we did, so they can get some texture when they're trying it out. So I'm adding a little bit of the tomato sauce, and we're gonna mix that in.
And you added the chipotle too. You already put that in.
The chipotle is already in there, and then I use the double all-purpose seasoning from Goya, and then we go ahead and mix that in. So it's a pretty easy sauce. We let the tomato sauce do a lot of the cooking. So over here we have our black beans from Goya. We just go ahead and give it a saute to go ahead and heat it up, make it kind of into a puree in a way.
So while you're heating it, you just kind of smash it.
Exactly.
This is so easy. Look at this delicious.
It's a very easy dish. Typically, if you want a smoother texture, you can go ahead and throw it into a blender. But to me personally, I like
the texture.
Yeah, the texture is something you want to taste what you're eating. So
yeah, I love the Goya black beans.
Yeah. So this is going to come with corn tortillas and a fried egg. So the fried egg is going to go ahead and give it a runny little yolk on top of it. So if you want to go ahead and we can start plating if you like.
Great.
Okay, awesome. So if you come over here, we're going to go ahead and put it over here.
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to go ahead and lay down one of the tortillas first. So it's already been heated up, and then we're going to add a little bit of the ranchero sauce right on top of that. And you can there's no measurements to it, it's just, whatever you.
Chef, now Mingo's Latin Kitchen, this is your version.
So the Americanized ingredients that we use brisket, pulled pork, something that, everybody here in the state of Texas is familiar with. Finish it off with the fried egg on top.
Ooh, yummy. This looks so beautiful.
Go ahead and just add some cilantro around. And that's it. So I'm adding a little bit of cilantro lime ranch just to kind of give it a little bit more richness. So it's going to be nice with a little bit more richness with the egg.
Oh, yummy. I'm so excited. Amazing flavors.